Hi everyone, Rich Sassman here with Century 21. Scott Swinford here with Hancock Mortgage. It's another Mortgage Tip Monday. So in my title I have what are you thankful for? So feel free to put what you're thankful for in the comments and we'll talk about that in a little bit. But with it being the holiday season officially starting this week, with Thanksgiving and Christmas a few weeks away, that's insane to say.
It's hard to believe.
Yeah, I'm not ready for it. This is a great time to put an offer on a house because a lot of people are saying, you know what, I'm going to take the time off to be with my family. And guess what? This is the one time of year where you'll have less competition to get a house, and therefore you may be able to get a little bit better price. I have some buyers that are going through that right now, that they got a contingent offer accepted. So I really want to encourage you, if you do have to sell contingent, this is a great time of year to do it because there's less competition right now. And that all starts changing once the first year hits again. So,
and most importantly, Rich, hashtag buy a house for your spouse. You know, I've been on that campaign for the last several weeks, but it's true. Really, what more could you want than to wake up Christmas morning in your brand new house with your brand new Christmas tree and your brand new presents and your kids and the whole family and a place to have dinner, knowing that it's yours and that you're not renting it.
Exactly.
And we've still got time, but we got to hurry. We really do.
We got time. In fact, right now, with how the calendar's looking, if you put an offer in before the end of this month, you couldn't be in a new house before beginning of the year.
We could be, but we got to hurry.
Got to hurry.
Definitely have got to. We've got to hurry. We've got to make everything work. So if you're willing to do it, we are too.
Exactly. So next thing is, let us know in the comments what you're thankful for. It's important to make sure you recognize what you're truly thankful for. I'm truly thankful for my wife, who let me start up this crazy business that seemed crazy at the time, but now it's seeming like a no-brainer why I started in this business. But without her patience and understanding in the first few years, you know, it's great. So, but other than that, I'm thankful to everybody that's given me a referral this year. Without them, my year would have been a bust. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Other than that, that's what I'm thankful for the most, because that makes it where I can be a great provider for my family.
I agree with you, Rich. I think you've got a great wife. And you're right, when you're starting out in a business like that, whether it be real estate or lending, it can be hard.
Any commission job, let's put it that way.
it can be tough for a little while. And yeah, you definitely got to have a partner who's going to stand by you and back you. And yeah, you got lucky.
Yep, so, I did.
And certainly,
hopefully she's watching.
And if she's not, we'll make sure when she sees the
she's tagged in it.
Yeah. She'll see it. But, you know, like, and also, like you said, too, with all the clients who've trusted us with their transactions. I mean, I certainly appreciate that. Not only you as real estate agents, but also our clients who said, you know what, Scott, I'm going to take the largest financial consideration or financial deal that I've ever had in my life and trust you to get it through with us. And, you know, speaking of agents like yourself, I mean, you know, we work very well together. But essentially what you're saying is, if I can cut away the smoke and the mirrors, is, hey, Scott, I'm trusting you to get me to payday because I want to get my clients closed. I want to get my clients into a house, but my what I get paid, being able to you know, put the roof over your head and the other things, is dependent upon the lender being able to work through issues, some problems, and get the loans closed for you. Definitely. Obviously, most importantly, it's we're getting clients into homes what they enjoy. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's a benefit for everybody involved. It really is.
So I'm thankful that my average also, I'm thankful that my clients, my average days from start of contract to close is under 30 days this year. So that is something that I pride myself on, with communication with my clients and our servicers, like our loan people and our and our inspectors and whatnot. So being able to communicate and get things moving fast with that, which helps get in a new house in under 30 days. So I am very proud of that, and I want to make everything go as seamless and fast as possible. That's why I use Scott here a lot in my videos and everything, because you know what, I know that things will get done as fast and as smoothly as possible. So, but having said that, if you want to get in a new house before the end of the year, start the new year off right. Have a New Year's resolution of saying, you know what, I'm going to be in a house that I own. I'm going to make money for myself and not my landlord. Contact me today. It's time to get going with that. And if you're not quite there, and you don't know if you can qualify for a house, it's easy. Give one message over to Scott. He sends you over an app, and you guys have a conversation. And you know what? Majority of people that don't think that they can qualify for a house can qualify for a house. So,
oh, Rich, I haven't had that happen since Saturday.
Since Saturday.
I had a young lady who contacted me. She said, you know, my credit's not very good. I've got some stuff I need to work on, but would you be willing to take a look at it and help guide me? I said, of course I will. Yeah. She said, you know, we're months out, but I want you to tell me what we need to do to get to where we can buy. So she fills out an application, took her under 10 minutes. I ran one of the credit bureaus, looked at it and said, you can buy now if you want to. In fact, I think your credit's much better than you think it is, and especially with your debt, because a lot of the school loans that are deferred for several years, they said, we could probably get you in a house right away if that's what you wanted to do.
Oh, and that's the thing. People assume that you need an 800 credit score to get a loan. That is the biggest lie, biggest myth in the industry right now.
And this young lady was at 670. She said, well, I don't have very good credit. I said, holy cow, 670, that's
better than most.
That's a good score. Yeah, no, that's definitely a score where we can work with you and get you into a house. Absolutely. So don't automatically think that you can't do it. You know, just like anything else, talk to a professional, talk to someone who does this all the time. And if you're not ready, if you're not able to do it, if you're not ready, that's okay too. We'll make sure we put you on the right path. So if you say, you know, my lease runs out until in May, so I want to be in something before May, absolutely we can do that. Yeah. But if there are issues that we need to deal with, we'll put you on the right path and we'll get you going forward.
Yeah, once again, put in the comments what you're thankful for. I'm more than happy. I want to read them. I want to see what you guys are thankful for. But other than that, if you guys know anybody that can benefit from this, please like and share this. It means the world to us to see you guys share it. It's the way that we get the word out there and education about the buying process. It's huge. So please like and share it. And if you have any questions, feel free, always put them in the comments, direct message them to one of us. Post it on my Facebook wall. I don't care. Just ask the question. It's better than not knowing. So, in fact, you can call me, 219-201-1818. Call or text that number, and guess what? You're gonna get an answer back to your question. So that's how I roll.
You working on Thanksgiving?
I work every day. So that's a beautiful thing about having this thing right here.
Yeah, I'm saying same answer here. So, if we're available and we need something, because I do have clients who are going to be out looking probably on Thanksgiving Day or even Black Friday. So stay out of the stores. Don't be getting crazy. You know, on Thursday you're thankful for your family, and on Friday you put a knife in somebody's neck to save $10.
You know, I have a buyer special for Black Friday. It's free to use me as a buyer agent when you're buying a house. It's valid 365 days a year. It doesn't cost anything for a buyer to use a realtor. How about that? Black Friday special, good all year round.
I like that one.
So, all right. Other than that, we're going to cut this short. It is a short weekend. We got a lot of stuff to get going, attend to our clients, and attend to some new clients too. So, other than that, he's Scott Swernford. I'm Rich Sassman. Please have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you again on Monday.
Exactly. Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving.